Ascending and descending order. Hello young learners. Welcome to our numeracy lesson on ascending and descending order. Today we will learn how to arrange numbers from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. Let us begin. Ascending order. Look at Ritvik. He climbs the stairs. He counts forwards from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending order. Now look at Chitra. She comes down the stairs. She counts backwards from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Explanation. In ascending order, numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. The numbers in ascending order follow forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In descending order, numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. The numbers in descending order follow backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's practice together. Arrange 2, 5, 3 in ascending order. Let's order 2, 3, 5. Arrange 9, 6, 8 in descending order. Let's order 9, 8, 6. Well done everyone. You have learned ascending and descending order. Practice with numbers on paper or stairs at home. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.